Hello YouTubers, Edgar 1976 here, and now here's another of my demonstration video. And for those of you who just saw my demonstration update, I just made 2 videos of my Lasco standing fan. And before I will demonstrate, here's what I just got for my birthday. This is my new towel that my mom gave it to me as for the birthday present, where it says Home by JCPenney, established 1902. Has performance bath towel. It has 100% cotton with superb durability with double kneel side hem. That includes fade resistant, low lint and low pill and durable side hems. Pretty nice. If you can see right here in the back of it. Has the same, has it on the back as well, made in green. Has 13-inch by 54-inch, 76.2 centimeters by 137.2 centimeters. And it's made in India. The bath towel pay is $16. It is made by JCPenney. Yep. And the other one, same thing as well, you know. You could see it here, 100% cotton, made in India. And on the back as well with the tag. You see? Yep. Okay, I just folded out and fixing my new towel that I just got. So now on to my next present is the Mainstays complete bedding set that has 8 pieces. Yeah, this is what my godmother gave it to me when she bought it. It has a fool on it. See the picture of it? So we bought it at Walmart. Then my godmother gave it to me. It has 2 standard pillow shams and 1 full bed skirt. It has the 8 pieces set. It includes 1 full comforter, 76-inch by 86-inch, 193 centimeters by 218.4 centimeters, 2 standard pillow shams, 20-inch by 26-inch, 50.8 centimeters by 66 centimeters, and Fitz pillows, 20-inch by 26 centimeters, 50.8 centimeters by 66 centimeters. They're 1 full skid. You can read it as well. It has a 1 full flat sheet, 1 full fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases. Yep. I will have to wait till I get my new bed. It has a full in it, you know, the king size bed. So that should cover it up. You can see it. It is made in China. And this is a tag right here. And some warning notice and some other languages. Yep. So there you go with my birthday present. So let me get up for now. And here's what I haven't got one. It has 2 lamps in here. It has 2 lamps that we bought it at Target a couple of months ago. See, this is a very nice lamp. That you can turn on the lamp. And the other lamp. Yep, this is a very nice lamp, as you can see, but If you could take a little bit of focus here or something there, you know, if I can't see that. So yep. So this is a very nice lamp. You should go check it out. This is the big stand for those two lamps. And in addition, I got my birthday card. This is my 3 birthday cards since yesterday, and it was very nice. So, and now let's move on to my demonstration, which I'm gonna be is my new ceiling fan. Yep, this is a very nice ceiling fan that I finally got this in my room. So he just installed 2 ceiling fans that replace it with a 1 light on it. So it has 2-in-1 with ceiling fan and a built-in light. You could see it. And it has a string in here. This is actually a string on that. This is for the fan, and this is for the light. Yeah. So this is a straightforward ceiling fan. Along with that, it came with a box where it says Hampton Bay. That's the picture of the lamp. It has 52-inch LED indoor ceiling fan with bronze finish. That includes 52 watt by 17.2 inch height. It has an LED by 2 where you can see it. It has 2 bulbs included with 9 watt LED bulbs, 60 watt equivalent, and 800 luminous per bulb. It has a quick fast installation. That's 25% faster. And then you mounted options downward or slope. That includes reversible blades and quiet motor. So this is the front. As you could see, right on top. Let me take a little bit of focus here. It has fit your fan to your room size. That's the small room, less than 48 inch. That's a room size in it. And a large room could be as 48 inch to 56 inch. And the great room is greater than 56 inch. Blades should be at least 2 feet from nearest wall. And also you could see it recommended down rod length per ceiling height. That tells you about this the height and the inch for this ceiling fan. It also has the airflow cubic feet per minute CFM, the high, medium, and low, and the ceiling fan demonstrations. And it has energy guide, so you could save $9 for the yearly energy costs. And airflow 3,260 cubic feet per minute. And it's also the lighting facts. And it has a lifetime motor warranty, 1-year light kit warranty. And you could see these steps that it has included right there. That has the different color from the display. And the quick installation is shows you how to install the fan on it with the ceiling fan. And that's all there is. Let me take a look on the side. Yeah, same thing is on the front. And you can scan those items right here, where you can scan those items. Same thing we did to buy for the ceiling fan. The other side, same thing as well. The back, same thing. And let me take a look on the bottom. Has the info in it. Has the whole thing. Yep, this is what we bought it at the at Lowe's or Home Depot. I think that we bought it at Lowe's as well. And also has the instructions in it with manual instructions of use and care guide. Yep, people who install this the ceiling fan, since I haven't put up with the demonstration video as well in a couple of months, haven't installed. It also has the instructional video to show the installation of it. It's at Home Depot. Yeah, I think it's a Home Depot. I thought we bought it at Lowe's. That's the English and Spanish. It's nothing. It also has the lifetime warranty on it or something, or like a reply. They have everything inside, all the way till the end, where there's the English, and continue in Spanish as well, if you can read it out, and that's all they have. There you go with that. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what's on the box. You see? It has 3 of these lights. Yeah. We used to have lights in our own ceiling. Yep. This is what they used to have. All 3 of those lights. So I changed it to all 3 ceiling fans that have been installed. Pretty cool. Along with this side. And now for some demonstration. First of all, let me turn this on. This is the light that we're hanging with the light on. It just has a built-in LED light. Or you can switch it manually in here. Yep. And now for the fan as well. Only have to do a switch in it and watch we go. You could tell 3 speeds on that for the ceiling fan. Let's see how I demonstrate. Yep, this is a much faster or something. It's not as fast as you ever could, but this is a much better ceiling fan to demonstrate. That could be on high, the medium is where you cool down this thing, especially during warmer days as well. And the low one. So that could be more low in this thing. Oh, it's off. Hold on. Yeah, this is off. Again. High. Medium. And low. And turn this off right now, so well, have nothing much going on. First, let me turn off the light as well. You see? Yep. Although it still spins, it may take a couple of minutes. So this is a very nice ceiling fan. And there you go. I know that some other video that we have the same exact ceiling fan, and some of the videos how to install this ceiling fan that will does the job. We just installed 2 of the additional ceiling fans that we have in my sister's room. So if you haven't saw this video like the ones I just demonstrated in my opinion, this is the one I just got for our own ceiling fan. There you go, that's my demonstration of my Hampton Bay ceiling fan. So tell us what you think, or any of the suggestions in this video. just leave a comment below. And for more of other of my previous videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I forgot to say, yesterday was my birthday, and now I'm turning 44. And we hope you had a great summer, and we enjoy our Labor Day weekend. Well, that takes care of this video. This is Edgar 1976. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.